Hi, in this how-to video, I'll show you how to easily assign floaters directly within the Go Site Ready Job Scheduler app. This feature is designed to help administrators quickly cover absences. If you haven't already, head on over to the Job Scheduler tab. Find the job assignment of the worker who will be absent and who you need to find a floater to cover. In this case, we're going to take Stephen Employee. We will right-click and edit. You will notice that there is an Assign Floater button. We're going to click this button and a new field will open. Here, we will find the person who's going to cover the shift. In this case, we're going to click Scott. And then we're going to click Save. Now let's have a look at what you'll notice on the scheduler. You'll see the appearance of a unique floater icon on both the person who needed a floater and the person who's doing the floating. So in this case, Stephen has a little red icon that has become visible. And in the bottom of this little message that we can see, it says Floater, Employee Scott. So that's the person who's covering his shift. Now Scott is just here above him in the calendar, and you'll notice that he has a green one. And under Rostered Employee, it says Employee Stephen. So this is saying that Scott is active and covering the shift for Stephen Employee. And that is how you assign a floater to cover absences inside Go Site Ready's Job Scheduler. Thanks for watching.